What happened to your iPad, you said, miss?
I have a 6-year-old. He was playing Roblox. He was trying to charge a tablet. He yanked it out, the charger. And I took it to Apple. They told me that it's not fixable. Screen is cracked and it's not charging.
Yeah, the charging port is broken.
Able to fix it?
Don't worry, I got you.
Oh my gosh, no. He's so friendly though. Nelly.
Your iPad is ready, miss. Now it's good to go. Clean. Let me charge it for you as well. It's charging.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's the
I hope
iPad.
you don't break it.
I hope so.
I can play Roblox.
And this is the case.
You got it.
Look at this case.
It's clean.
I got the Roblox.
It's like new again. So
I hope you don't make it dirty again.
here.
I know how to.
Make sure you put it on, so you don't have to buy a new one. Thank you.
Hello, Dad.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.